the chandelier. From the chandelier.
Fun fact. You can't feel your tongue when you smile. Look at how cute you are. I got you, sucker. Look at your smile.
Hello?
When there is no toilet paper,
Yes,
you shall clean your ass later.
Don't flirt with him.
I'm not going to...
So, how can you tell when a man is cheating on you?
You think your man cheating?
Yes, I do.
That's how you can tell.
I have two questions which nobody knows the answer. And I would like to ask you one of the questions. Excuse me, Honorable Sir. Can you spell the word?
Hey!
Hey!
This is how I laugh, bitch.
This is wrong, okay? This is wrong. This is right. It can't get no righter. This is wrong, okay?
What's your name? What's your name, sir?
My name is Deez.
These what, sir?
Stop dating my mother!
You know what? I'm going to start dating her even harder.
What's that supposed to mean?
You know what it means.
Stop!
Hey man, your mom's calling you.
Hey, pick that up for me.
I don't like answering people's phones, but hey, what up, bitch?
Wake up, mommy. I just missed the bus. Wake up, mommy. I just pissed the bed. Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter.
Guys, I'm currently in the car with my parents, and they don't know this, but I just shit my pants. Mommy, I need you to change me.
Helicopter.
Guys, I'm currently in... Helicopter, helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter.
Guys, I'm currently in the car...
No witnesses.
Here's a surprising reason why your biceps aren't growing as fast as they could be. It's because the
We're not taking steroids. It's because we're not taking steroids. That's why our biceps aren't growing as fast as...
That's a good milkshake. Thanks, I made it from scratch. You weren't here the whole time. I'm just playing, dog. Oh, you stupid, bro. But I did pick it up off the ground outside. I don't...
Hey, I can get some? Yeah, go ahead. Appreciate it. Yup.
Hey, Dad, that's a cool whip. Ah, I thought you couldn't understand.
Have you pooped today? Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe. Because at this point, because I'm strong and I'm dead. Okay.
Dad, can you help me with my homework, please? Do you know what 2 times 7 is?
Family.
No, Dad, it's not family.
It's family.
No, Dad, it's not family. That's not the real answer.
But what's real is family.
Dad, you're not helping. Have you got any friends that I can ask instead?
I don't have friends. I got family.
Dad!
Almost killed my family.
Say mommy. Say mommy. Mommy, mommy, mommy.
Yo, nigga!
Hi, guy. I'm in forest. I'm scream. What are you doing? Yeah.
So what would you do if I was in your house right now? Shoot. Because you know I'm a freaky person. Boy, tell me. Let's see. I'll choke you. For real? Yeah. And I'll spit in your mouth. That sounds nice. And I'll poop on your feet. Hello. Hey.
Can you say apple?
Apple?
Can you say banana?
Hey, you wanna come see my baby? Yeah. Let me see that little rascal. Hey, you wanna? Chúpate, moña.
All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. All this time she was standing there, she never took her.
Oh, you're weak.
Hey, I can borrow your laptop. Yeah, man, go ahead. Appreciate it. Chúpate, moña. Where your clothes at? Hey, I can borrow your laptop. Yeah, man, go ahead.